In order to get into the Scantron testing, your students are going to open up their Chromebook and not sign in. Then they're going to go to Apps, which is right between Shutdown and Add Person on the bottom bar. And we're going to choose DRC Insight Online Assessments. For the very first time, you're going to have to assign the device to an org unit by putting in your school's org ID. So click Assign Device to Org Unit, and you're going to type in the ID number for your school. And then click Add. And then you're going to click Register. Now that process will only have to be done the very first time that Chromebook enters the testing app. After that, anybody else that opens the testing app will find this screen already ready, and then they're ready to test.